Hey gamers, in today's video, we're going to dive into Marvel Rivals and talk about the top heroes you need on your team right now. Let's start with the best tank. Magneto is currently the king of tanks. His unique combination of defensive capabilities and crowd control makes him a formidable frontline presence. With abilities like Metallic Curtain, which acts as a barrier and bulwark, Magneto can absorb damage and protect his team, making him essential for surviving tough battles. Now, if you're looking for the top damage dealer, Scarlet Witch takes the crown for the best DPS damage per second hero. She brings incredible versatility and raw power to the battlefield. Not only does she have powerful area of effect stuns, but her ultimate can also turn the tide of any fight. Additionally, Scarlet Witch can fly, which gives her a significant advantage in mobility and positioning. But what about the best overall character in Marvel Rivals? Well, it's none other than Scarlet Witch again. Her versatility and sheer power make her an invaluable asset in various situations. Whether you're dealing with hordes of enemies or facing off against tough opponents, Scarlet Witch's abilities allow her to excel in any role, making her a must-have for any team composition. So there you have it. Magneto is the best tank, Scarlet Witch is the best DPS, and also the best overall character in Marvel Rivals.